I selected some very beautiful songs. I want to take you down memory lane. I'm going to do a whole medley of all the old Hawai'i Calls type of songs that you remember. You remember Hawai'i Calls? How many of you remember listening to the radio and all those? I remember I was a young girl and I used to listen to the radio of Hawai'i Calls, and I remember all the different artists that used to sing on Hawai'i Calls. And I'm going to bring you through that, okay? So I better remember not to yell or scream, because I have another performance this evening for Senator Akaka. His ceremony, his retirement ceremony, and they asked me to perform tonight. So, but I'm going to do all the nice mellow songs for you today. I'm going to bring back the memory lane. Okay, so I have to look at some of the lyrics because it's that time of the year, and I can. Okay, here we go. Welcome to Hawai'i Calls. It's not somebody making shishi, it's the waves going on the sand, okay? Hawai'i Calls, with a message of aloha to you, sweetheart, wherever you are. The surf is booming on the sand at Waikiki tonight. Oh, how I wish that you were strolling hand in hand with me tonight. Hawai'i Calls, where the melody of love, dear, across the sea as evening falls, reminding you to dream a while of happy days we knew. Hawai'i calls and my heart's calling you. And then there's a song that Ray Kinney, remember Ray Kinney? He sang this next song. Across the sea and I is calling me. Do you remember that song? If you do, clap. Calling to the wanderer to return, bidding we come back to fair Hawaii, to that sunny isle across the sea. Now I worked on the SS Lurleen. Do you remember the Lurleen? That ship, okay? This song was written for it. When the Lurleen sails away, smile your sweet and winsome way, I'll take with me our love and aloha, with a token flower laid and a kiss for you this day. We give to you our love and aloha. Now that we must say adieu, God bless you and guide you. May someday your journey end right here in our aloha land. When the whistle starts to blow, one more kiss before you go, and take with you our love and Please take me to your heart, Hawaiian heaven, never more to part from you. Let me live and laugh with you while love is young. And let me rest here when my day is through. Hawaiian paradise, at last I found you. Land of make-believe, come true. Who could forget this next one? Tonight, Mapuana, Hawai'i smiles on you. One kiss of sweet aloha, aloha, I love you. I hear soft winds sighing your lovely name to me. Palm trees sway to rhythms of the sea. The moon up in the sky whispers to the stars on high and says that you're by far as bright as any star. Sweet dreams, Mapuana, till morning meets the dew. One kiss of sweet aloha, aloha, I love you. Remember this next one? Oh, Haunani Kahalewai. I remember her singing this song. I will remember you in the cold of a winter's night, and should I be ever blue, Please say you'll be mine. Just say you love me too, as much as I love you, and promise to be true, always be true, dear Peacock. I can't let you go. What a beautiful song, yeah? My poor heart just wants you to know that it's so plain to see that you will always be throughout eternity. Peacock in mine. Now everybody can sing with me. You know this song. All you old timers. Oh, Makala, Ua, Uluma, no kamaka eha na le na ya ni okay, here's that part. And last but not least, gotta sing this song. Why keep you at night when the shadows are falling? I hear your rolling surf calling. It's calling and calling to me. Why keep you? 'Tis for you that my heart is yearning. My thoughts are always returning out there to you across the sea. Your trumpet nights and your wonderful charms are ever in my memory, and I recall when I held in my arms an angel sweet and heavenly. Why keep you? My whole life is so empty without you. I miss that magic about you, magic beside the sea. There's a feeling deep in my heart, stabbing at me, just like a dart. It's a feeling heavenly. I see memories out of the past. Oh, we've lost so many entertainers in the past years. Oh, the memories will always last of a place beside the